Hi everyone. So I have some exciting news for you today. First of all, for those that don't know me, let me introduce myself. So my name is Emma McRedmond and I am a customer success consultant, coach and mentor. Former VP of Global Customer Success and Support with over 20 years of experience in all things customer engagement and leadership. So I'm thrilled to announce today that I've partnered with CustomerSuccessU.org, a not-for-profit organisation that shares my love and passion for all things customer success and also helping professionals thrive in their customer success careers. So at CustomerSuccessU.org, the mission is to support and empower customer success professionals through education and coaching. And together, we are launching a personalised coaching and education service. Now, this includes one-to-one coaching, group coaching, workshops, and webinars, all designed specifically to help you advance your customer success career. Now, I'm really looking forward to bringing this service to you, whether you're just starting out in your customer success career or looking to elevate your career to that next level. CustomerSuccessU.org and myself will be here to guide you through every step of the way. Now, stay tuned. More information will be coming soon, and look out for our free webinars coming in November 2024, introducing our new coaching programs, of course, and also tackling subjects like what is the future of customer success and what does that look like, and much, much more. So please look out for that. Also, be sure to visit the CustomerSuccessU.org website for more information and check and get some details on how to get started. And lastly, we can't wait to work with you.